How to make money playing video games, 5 real ways that actually work. What if I told you, those late night gaming sessions? Yeah, the ones where you said, just one more level, could actually make you money? No, not just for pro esports legends, not just for Twitch streamers with neon lights. I'm talking about regular players, on their phones, on their couch, in their pajamas. Today, we're breaking down real ways to make money playing video games, from super easy side cash, all the way up to full-time careers. Let's hit start, time to dive in. Okay, if you want the simplest, lowest pressure way to start making money gaming, this is it. KashKick literally pays you to play games. You sign up for free, pick from 100 plus games, play, hit certain levels, get paid, that's it. No streaming, no followers, no fancy setup. You can play everything from casual games like Solitaire and Bingo to bigger titles like Raid, Shadow Legends. And yes, some offers can pay serious money. In Raid, for example, you can earn up to $800 if you complete all the milestones in time. Rewards track automatically. Once you hit $10, you cash out via PayPal. No points confusion, no gift card maze, just real cash. Pros, free to join, super beginner friendly, works on phone or desktop, low $10 payout minimum. Cons, US only, some offers are limited time. If you're watching this thinking, okay, but what can I do today? This. You can do this today. Ever played a game and thought, how did they not catch that glitch? Well, someone's job is to catch it. Game testers get paid to find bugs, break mechanics, and give feedback before launch. You play early versions of games, you document issues. Now, it's not all fun. You might repeat the same level 50 times, on purpose. Pay varies. Some gigs pay cash, some pay in game rewards. But if you love details and don't mind repetition, it can be a cool side hustle. Now we're entering main character energy. Twitch, YouTube, Kick, streaming can turn gaming into real income. You earn from subscriptions, ads, donations, sponsorships. Small streamers might make $50 to $200 a month. Around 100 average viewers, you could be looking at 1,000 plus monthly. But let's be honest, it takes consistency, personality, and thick skin. Competition is real. If you love being on camera and building community though, unlimited earning potential. Plot twist, instead of playing the game, what if you made it? Developers bring games to life using tools like Unity and Unreal Engine. You can go indie or work for a studio. Indie projects might earn anywhere from $0 to a few thousand per game. Full-time developers? $50,000 to $120,000 a year on average. But you'll need coding skills, patience, and a tolerance for long timelines. This is passion meets profession. Designers create the vision, the world, the rules, the mechanics. They decide how the game feels. It's part art, part psychology, part storytelling. Freelancers can pick up projects. Full-time designers average around 6 figures. But it's competitive, and deadlines can be intense. Still, if you're always analyzing game mechanics, you might already think like a designer. So here's the truth. Gaming doesn't have to be just a hobby. It can be side money, creative income, or even a career. Whether you want quick PayPal cash or dream of esports glory, there's a lane for you. If you want the easiest place to start, try getting paid to play with KashKick. Try KashKick today and start earning from it.